Hello, I'm Philip Stoten. I'm at SMTAi 2019, and I'm joined by Dave Trail from Critical Manufacturing. Dave,
Philip, how are you?
Good. I'm very well. Great to see you. Thanks for stopping by.
Great.
Start by giving me a quick overview of Critical Manufacturing. I know there's been a recent acquisition as well, so give me a quick 1-minute history.
So Critical Manufacturing was founded in 2009, coming out of the semiconductor industry. And in that time, they built a very robust product, an MES designed solely for Industry 4.0. A lot of the other MESs are adapting their system to an Industry 4.0 solution, but ours was built inherently with that in mind. And last year, ASM PT decided to invest in Critical Manufacturing as a way for them to gain entry or augment their capabilities in the smart factory segment.
Okay, and what has that meant for your customers and ASM's customers? Because obviously, Critical had their own customer base. ASM had their customer base. I guess some of them overlapped. How does the product mix work, or is it a bit early to say?
Well, we do operate as two separate companies. However, we do benefit from the relationship in the sense that now ASM has access to the industry's most robust, capable, radically configurable MES in the industry. We also have an ability to partner with the largest manufacturer of SMT equipment in the industry. So it's a positive for both of us.
Yeah, it has a big benefit. And one of the things that we've noticed, particularly when we're talking to EMS companies, is this kind of Industry 4.0 thing has been something that's kind of got pushed further and further away. We've been talking about it a lot, and it doesn't feel like we've walked the walk and really delivered the value we need to. What's holding that back? Is it connectivity? Is it the transformation? Is it just willingness to invest?
I think even though Industry 4.0 has been around for 5, 6, 7 years, quite a long time, there's still a learning curve involved with it where people don't yet understand the true benefits behind it. And in a lot of ways, we're hung up on some of the technology aspects of it, like connectivity. And in doing so, we miss the entire point of Industry 4.0, which is the benefits that you do get in having that. Also, a little bit what the industry is seeing right now is there's a lot of in-house built MES systems. And some of the larger EMS companies, they built their own. They're proud of it. There's people internally that they nurture it as their own baby, even though in some instances it may not be the most capable system out there. So there is change occurring with that. Industry 4.0 is helping that. Some of the initiatives that are taking place do benefit MES. And also, when an MES company talks to some of these larger customers, instead of getting bogged down in the details, most of us should be talking about the benefits, which is the outcome of the MES, which is the data, which is the access to digital twin, augmented reality, streamlining production, improving quality. Those types of things are really the benefits of the technology, I guess you could call it. So.
Yeah. Now, Critical Manufacturing is originally out of Portugal, so European company, but present here in the US as well. Yeah. Becoming a global company, particularly, I guess, through the ASM partnership. What do you see in terms of differences between Europe and the US in terms of their approach to the digital transformation?
Well, obviously, Industry 4.0 coming out of the German marketplace and Europe in general, they were much more accepting of the idea of it. They're a little bit ahead of us as far as implementation of products that benefit from Industry 4.0. We are seeing quite a bit of progress within North America currently, and some of that has to do with the reshoring that's taking place. Some of that has to do with the worker base that is present on manufacturing floors now. I used to always kind of joke that people talk about selling to millennials and things like that, and I said, well, that's kind of irrelevant for right now because they're not the people that make buying decisions. That's changing. Yeah. And some of these millennials are taking on management and decision-making roles, and they really expect these type of technologies that we're offering. It's not, oh, I wish I could have that. It's why do we not?
Yeah. So there's an expectation there, and I think that's going to change as that generation gets further and further through. Great. Dave, thanks for stopping by. Always a pleasure to chat. Good luck with the business moving forward, and we'll speak again soon. Thank you.
Thanks, Philip.